AirPods. You own them, I own them, so in this video we're going to take a look at more HYPEBEAST AirPod cases that I bought from Amazon. If you have not seen my last video on HYPEBEAST AirPod cases, I'll link it up above. Make sure you guys go check out that video, and make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be giving away some of these AirPod cases. So this right here is my current AirPods case. This is the Jordan 1 AirPods case. I did buy this from Amazon, and this was one of the AirPod cases featured in my last AirPods cases video. I use this AirPods case pretty much every day. This is my go-to case. I absolutely love it. So I went on Amazon and bought a bunch more of AirPods cases. So let's take a look. Let's unbox these and let's take a look at how each one of these HYPEBEAST AirPods cases look. So this first one is an off-white case. So I'm very excited to see this one. Let's open this up and let's see how this looks. So this is the off-white case. This is very, very nice. It is clear and does have the top up in plastic, so let me unravel that, and now I'm going to put my AirPods inside of this off-white case. I really like this one, man. This one's dope. It does have all the off-white branding and details on it. So I'm going to put my AirPods in this case, and let's see what this looks like. Just like that, we now have my AirPods inside of this off-white case. I think that looks dope. I think it's very, very nice, very stylish, and yeah, that looks good. I like this one a lot. This next AirPods case is actually a Givenchy, however you say it, a luxury brand case. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my AirPods and put them in there. Oh, what's inside? Oh, we have a keychain and then this little other keychain thing with the Givenchy, however you say it. So let's take this one, put the AirPods in, and just like that, we have the AirPods inside. They do open and close. Very nice. I like this one a lot. This is more of a luxurious one, more luxury, but very, very dope. Obviously, this is not real Givenchy, but very, very dope nonetheless. This next AirPods case is more of a sparkly one, kind of iced out diamonds. Obviously, it's not real diamonds, but still really nice and very out there. So if you really want a sparkly diamond encrusted AirPods case, there you go. So let's put my AirPods inside and let's see what this looks like. I'm hyped for this one. I think this one's going to look really good as well. So pop that in with the top, and just like that, we have my AirPods inside of this shiny diamond case. That looks really nice. That stands out, and that is bright. This next one comes in this circle kind of pouch, which is cool. And wow, we have a bunch of stuff in here. So this one is the AirPods case. I'm going to put that down. Let's take a look at the accessory that it comes with, which I'm kind of excited for. I saw this on Amazon, and I was like, yeah, I have to get this one. Absolutely have to, because this looks absolutely crazy. So let me open this up, and let's take a look. Some type of string or something. Maybe you could hang it. So let's take a look at the actual AirPods case itself, because I'm not sure what that is used for yet. I have an idea, but I'm not entirely sure. So they do come all plastic wrapped. Let me open this up. And right here we do have a Louis Vuitton AirPods case with the print. I really do like this one a lot. This one is very, very dope. This is, I believe, the monogram print, so that's very, very dope. Oh wow, inside, this is what I was looking for. We do have the strap. So this one you can strap all the way up to wherever you want. There's like a bunch of straps that it comes with, and it has like Louis Vuitton pattern kind of all over it, which is very nice as well. And then you do have the case itself right here. So let me put my AirPods inside of this case, and let's see what this looks like. I'm very ecstatic for this one. Popped right in there, and you do have it just like that. Now, if you wanted to, you can strap it up on the back because there's some holes there for it, but this is what it looks like by itself. Opens, closes. Very nice. This one does feel pretty good. Obviously, it's not really Louis Vuitton. And then if you want to clip it on, I'm going to see if I can do this. You can clip it on just like that on the back, and now you have like a lanyard type thing going on for the case. And there's some other straps that you can do as well. So this one I really do like a lot. I think this one's absolutely fire and a really nice look. This next case is going to be straight fire because this is, of course, a Supreme case. I love Supreme. You're a HYPEBEAST. Of course, you love Supreme as well. All HYPEBEAST love Supreme. So it does have the little keychain thing here. And then we have the actual case itself with SUP right on it. So let's take a look at what this looks like with the AirPods inside. Put that in there, close this up with the top, and I'm not really crazy about this one quality-wise, I don't think. It's not fitting 100%. It is kind of open. You can see a little bit there, but it is a very nice case nonetheless. Supreme. So you got SUP and then SUP on the top. I like that one a lot, man. Very, very dope, and I love Supreme, so This is a dope case. Before I show you guys this last and final case, which happens to be one of my favorites on Amazon, I want you guys to drop a comment, let me know. Make sure you hit that like button as well. But let me know, should I do this type of video, a Hypebeast, maybe Apple Watch case video, like band video? If you guys want that, let me know. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want that. Now, this last case comes all wrapped up in this box, which is really dope packaging. A1. So let's take a look. Let's see what this one is. I'm excited for this one. Like I said, this is probably one of my favorites that I did find on Amazon. Pull it out of the plastic, and right here, wow, this is nice. We got a Gucci AirPods case right here. We got the black Gucci with the GG in gold. Very, very dope. Very, very subtle, but still flashy at the same time because of the double G's. So I really like this one a lot. My AirPods inside. Boom. Oh, that fit in perfectly. You heard that? And just like that, we now have the AirPods inside. Open, close, open, close. This might be a keeper, to be honest. This one is fire. I really do like this one a lot. Now, for the giveaway, I want you guys to drop a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what AirPods case from this video do you want to win. Leave a comment, let me know down below. Make sure you leave your Instagram at the end of your comment because I will be picking one of you from this video. Make sure you also give me a follow on Instagram because I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. I'll pick the winner in about 2 weeks. Once again, let me know if you guys want to see a similar video with the Apple Watch bands. I can buy some Hypebeast Apple Watch bands on Amazon or Wish or anywhere you guys want me to. Let me know where to cop them from, and if you guys would be interested in that video, I can put them on my Apple Watch and show you guys some very dope Hypebeast sneakerhead luxury Apple Watch bands. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.